I found out this year that there's been a much bigger uptake on our annual review process. More and more clients are booking in for that annual review to make sure that their insurances are still relevant, still fit for purpose, and will do what they need to do if something happens to them. And this has led to a number of different scenarios with different clients, and it might mean that some clients have decided to close a business, so we're moving them from business protection to personal protection. And some of those policies we can transport, some of them we can't. But again, it's about looking at that whole solution and understanding where they're at and what they want to do. But also, it's making sure that when we first put their policies in place, their situation was one thing. The situation for some clients have completely changed and go in the opposite direction. So they're going from a personal client to a business client, and that's where we add so much more value, because there's a lot more scope, especially if you have a limited company, to be able to put your personal policies through there, whether they're existing ones or even new ones, and gain the tax efficiency from this. And I'm seeing more and more clients that are saying we've started our own business up, because I think in the last 3 years a lot of more people have started their own businesses up. So again, when you've got that business or you've gone recently self-employed, have you had your review with your advisor to understand, and do they do business protection? Because if they don't, they're not going to be able to advise you in the best way for you to be able to get the right policies, but also gain the tax efficiency from that. And with the increasing rates now that we're seeing under corporation tax, you'll get even more tax relief from those policies. So if you haven't had a review in the last 12 months, 24 months, please do get in touch. And if you're an existing client, or even if you're a new client, it doesn't matter. We will help with any reviews and give you our full attention to detail and make sure that you have your options. And those options may be to be spread over time. And that's what I love working with, why I love working with my business clients on an annual basis, because we review it to see, is that still relevant? Can we change that? And lots of things change considerably in 12 months' time, as we know it. So if you haven't had a review, my details are below. Get in touch and we can always have a chat.